Hello guys, welcome to our channel. On today's video I'll show you how you can join the groups in WhatsApp. So groups are quite entertaining, and there are lots of things you can get using WhatsApp groups. So let's get started. First, tap on your WhatsApp application. So there are multiple ways like you can join WhatsApp group. The first one is if you are looking to join some group, then you must ask admin to add on the group. The another one is they can send you the link. For example, okay, so the someone just sent me the link. The link is called follow this link to join my WhatsApp group. So I'll just tap on the link, or I can just tap on join group. All right. Okay, so there is already one friend, and I'll just tap on the join group option. All right, so now I'm on the group, so that's how I join the group. So this is the one way to join the group. In this way, what you have to do is you have to ask the admin to send the group link. All right, so the another one is they can just directly add you using a name or your phone number. So yeah, that's how you can join the WhatsApp group. All right, thank you so much for watching.